Hi all, we are Year 4 Mechanical Engineering student from University Technical Malaysia Melaka. We will be talking about the professional engineering ethics in Malaysia. Ethics. Ethics is the principle of good and bad behavior governing what is right and wrong conduct. Personal ethics is individual morality, usually implies a set of internally held values. Focus on what are held to be intrinsic or universal values. Truth, honesty, or other measure of goodness may guide our personal beliefs and actions. Professional ethics is usually connected to a shared understanding of proper conduct guidelines among a group of people associated by means of their profession, allows diverse, multidisciplinary, and multicultural teams to work in unison toward common goals. Rules of practice. Engineers in the fulfillment of their professional duties shall hold paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, perform services only in areas of their competence, issue public statements only in an objective and truthful manner, act for each employer or client as faithful agents or trustees, avoid deceptive acts, conduct themselves honorably, responsibly, ethically, and lawfully so as to enhance the honor, reputation, and usefulness of the profession.
Institution of Engineer Malaysia, a learned society where engineers of various disciplines in every sector of economic activity come together for mutual helpfulness and sharing of experience and technology. Help young engineers to establish themselves in the ranks. Establish social linkages between engineers.
Board of Engineers Malaysia (BEM). The work of engineers can have significant impact on public interest. BEM is the regulator body to enforce the Engineers Act to protect public interest. Engineers are bound by the Code of Professional Conduct. Achieving professional engineers status can be regarded as a self-fulfillment to enhance the status of a person in a society. There are three methods of engineering ethical problem solving, which is line drawing, flowcharting, and creative middleware. Line drawing. Use line drawing when have any problem that can be solved by self-thinking. Example, was the gift offered or requested, was it accepted, or what is its true value. Flowcharting. Provides a visual picture of a situation, as one establishes sequences, identify moral issues and consequences of action. Creative middleware. Creative middleware is a win-win situation. For example, when a job is uncomfortable, discuss with the boss and suggest some idea that will accept by each other.
Risk, safety, and liability in engineering. First, the code and the engineer practice regarding risk and safety. Engineer must design safety in accordance to acceptable engineering standard. The definition of safety by engineering is safe within safety factor, not safe all the time. Second, identifying and defining acceptable risks. Example, human need a dam for electricity, but also need to minimize damage to the environment. Third, free and informed consent and competition. A person must not be coerced. A person must have the relevant information. A person must be rational. Next, the definition of acceptable risk by government regulator. Example, the nuclear power plant should have safety that not harm to human. Last, protecting engineer from liability. When earthquake happen, engineer should not be blamed because it is natural disaster. Case of professional ethics. The first picture shows that it is a low quality building. The construction material of the building is not suitable for a car. The second picture shows Highland Tower collapse that is resulting in the death of 48 people, and it is caused by small stream of water.
Summary. Engineering is an important and learned profession. As members of this profession, engineers are expected to exhibit the highest standard of honesty and integrity, knowledge and skill, responsibility, integrity, good moral. Express the right, duty, and obligation of the member of the profession. Code of ethics define your responsibility to society and the environment, your employer or client, and your fellow engineers.